Good afternoon, ngayon po ay February 16, 2025 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong February 16, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, February 16, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Sunday, February 16, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, February 16, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for February 16, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.